today's tutorial, I want to show you how to find and highlight the duplicates or matching values in two columns with Kutools for Excel. If you have Kutools for Excel installed with its select same and different cells function, you can quickly compare the data in two columns and select the duplicate cells in one column. What's more, you can shade a background color or font color for the duplicates. Select the first column, hold the Ctrl key and select the second column. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the select drop-down list and choose select same and different cells. In the select same and different cells dialog box, check my data has headers if you don't want the headers to be compared, and then select each row under the based on section and select same values under the find section, and you can fill a background or font color for the duplicate values under the processing of results. I want a fill back color. I will uncheck the fill font color. I will choose the color red and then click the OK button, and the duplicate values both in column A and column B have been selected and highlighted in column A. Click the OK button. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.